Christmas represents the birth of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. It is also when we give and receive gifts to and from those we love. In this video, I'll share with you gift ideas that are meaningful and most of all budget friendly. So let's get started. Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This video is a part of the gift ideas collaboration. I'll share more about that further on in the video. So let's jump into my first gift idea. So for this one, guys, we'll be putting together some earrings. I got this jewelry making kit from Panda Hall Select from last year. Would you believe? And I made a video to show you how I make earrings, because I do jewelry sometimes. I haven't done that in a while. And I started this video, if you notice, and just never got to finish it. But here I am now doing that. So I'm just showing you the instructions. I'll leave an in picture up the top there so you can follow that if you decide to get this kit. I will also leave a link for this on Panda Hall Select as well as on Amazon, because I did see it on Amazon as well. So you can choose which of the sites you'd like to purchase from. So here I am just showing you how I put these two pairs together, and you're going to need a set your pliers. I got this set from Walmart like maybe 3 years ago when I was making jewelry. It's always handy to have those things. So I'm just checking my instructions, and these are the back and the jump rings and the clamps. So I'm following the instruction and I'm putting these together. So I'm using the needle nose pliers and just opening one of the clamp, and I'm going to fit that in here. These are very meaningful handmade gift. You will just do this yourself, and whomever you give this to, whether it's your aunt, your niece, whichever female you give this to, I'm sure they will appreciate it. And these are so easy to put together. And the kit comes with easy to understand instruction. Once you connect the wood pendant to the earring hooks or the stud, because you have hooks and you have studs, using your jump ring, you're good to go. So here I've connected the one with the hook, and now I'm just showing you how I connected the one with the stud. Starting with your jump ring, and you fasten the stud to that, and then you fasten the clamp. You can add a second ring if you like, or you just use one ring. And that's it, guys. We now have two pairs of earring assembled. And to seal it, took some Waverly clear wax and just applied it to the wood. This is optional. You don't have to do this. And that's done, guys. I love it. I actually made these two from last year, and I gave them away as a giveaway on my channel. So next, because I want my earrings to go into a little gift box, I got these from Walmart already put together. And these are the back of the earrings. This is optional too. I also got these from Walmart, and I'm just adding those to the loop to make sure it doesn't fall off your ear when you put it on. So now that's done, I'm going to be just dressing up my gift box. Before I did that though, this is also another kit from Panda Hall Selected, and I love these ones as well. And this is the same thing. You're going to use your jump ring and your loop, and you're going to add your jump ring and then your loop, and take your pliers and open the ring, add that, then you're going to add your loop, close it back, and that's done. So now you have 4 pairs of earrings that you can give to 4 female. Look at that. Easy peasy, budget friendly, very meaningful handmade gifts. And then I'm gonna decorate the top of the box. I know I'm just dressing up the box a little. So here I'm just taking a piece of the ribbon, wrapping it across the box from right to left. And then I did the same thing for the top to make a little cross. Now this is just an idea of how you can decorate your box. Now that is done, guys. Now this collaboration was put together by Ellie from DIY from House to Home, and you see all of these beautiful ladies. I will link the playlist in the description box below so you check them out. So now we're moving on to our second gift idea. I got this cutting board from Temu and I painted it with some Waverly moss. I decided to paint just one side, but then of course the other side is available. So I took my folk art True Burgundy. So I just painted that little section with some of the paint because my idea here is to do a reverse stenciling. And I'm drying it. And once I dried it, I took the letter L from this letter pack from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you can use whatever the initial is for the person that you're giving this gift to. You can use that for the purpose of this video. I just use mine. I usually don't throw out the piece that I removed the letter from because that can also be used as stencil. Here I'm just showing you can use it for stenciling, but that's not the part I'm going to be using right now. So I put that back on the paper and set that aside. And then I place the L down, and here I'm now using the moss again to go over the other side. And I just gave it one good coat and dried it. Now it's dried, I'm removing the letter to reveal the color that I wanted underneath. And there it is. Now, of course, if you have stencil with the monogram, you can just stencil that on. Now, this is a stencil that I got from Temu. I'm going to be using that on the other side. And I'm just fuzzing it, make sure I'm just eliminating some of the stickiness. So when I place it on the board, it's not sticking too much. Just line that up, centered it down, and I'm going in with the same True Burgundy. And this is paint, not paste, so you have to be very careful. Use as little as possible. So I'm using the squeegee and I'm going over that just lightly with the paint because I don't want to use too much. I don't want it bleeding, and a little goes a long way. And although I'm DIYing this is also a gift. Of course, you can DIY your gifts. So when I was done, I removed the stencil, and guys, you need to make sure that you clean your stencil as soon as you remove it so that the paint doesn't dry. I did go ahead and do that. And then I dried it with some heat. So now we're back on the side with the L. I want to give it streaks to the side. So here I'm using a piece of masking tape. Placed it on my mat and I'm just scoring it to separate it in two halves to give me just a thin line going down and across. And then remove the tape and dried it. And now I'm taking the sanding block and I'm just sanding off the edges just to give it a rustic look. And then I took a little of the hoops paint with a makeup sponge and I'm going around the edges to distress that, and I did that for both sides. Now that is done, I went over it with some Mod Podge to just seal everything before I started embellishing. Now for this side where the L is, I thought it needed something else, so I took my gold marker from Dollar Tree and I just gave it a little star right on the L. Then I took some of this holly bush and I'm just embellishing. I cut off two of the leaves, glue those down. I made a bow with some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Just use the awareness fold and some baker's twine and made that bow. And then I'm taking some glitter fern, glue those on there. Because this piece was a little curly, I used some heat to just straighten that out and glued it on. I then glued on the bow. And for this bow, guys, I turned Christmas ribbon the other way around. I just used the reverse side. So I glued on 2 pine cones and some berries to just cover up that baker's twine in the middle. And this side is done, guys. So now I flipped it over. Got this bell from the Dollar Tree and I just painted one side with some gold acrylic paint from Apple Barrel. Glued on a burlap bow right on top of the bell. And that is done, guys. I did go ahead and add a piece of jute cord at the end, which I did not show you. And you will see more of that in the final reveal. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. So now we are ready to put our gift ideas together. For this one, I'm just showing you and these gift tissue paper I got from the Dollar Tree. I got this set of gift bags from Lidl's, and this is a set of 5. The cost was $3.99. I think that is a deal. So I'm just looking through to see which one I want to use. I'm going to use most of them to give you some ideas of what I did. So I selected this one. And guys, I went through my stash and I found out that I had stuff that I could give as gifts. So that's what I'll be using, just giving you some ideas. I decided not to go out and get too much. But I'm showing you on the Dollar Tree website, if you decide to use Dollar Tree items for your gifts. These are some ideas of what you can pick up on the inside. When you actually go through the store, there's no point in buying these online because you have to buy them in bulk. But I'm just giving you some ideas from the website if you decide to use Dollar Tree items. I'm using what I had in my stash, and these are not Dollar Tree items. So this is Japanese cherry blossom, and these are from Bath and Body Works. Now if you're giving shower gel or body wash, these are some ideas that the Dollar Tree has. This one I'm showing you is a body mist, and guys, you can't beat these for $1.25. All right, so now we are ready to assemble. So I'm just putting them in the bag, and this is the sheet of tissue paper that I chose for this bag. Now I'm showing you here how I assembled this one. For the others, I will not be using the paper like that. I'll just show you the paper and leave it as is. So now we're on to our next gift idea. This is another bag from the same pack that I show you, and here is our little double-sided sign and some more body essentials and this red tissue paper, and this is what it looks like. And here is another gift idea. We're using another of the bag and this red truck tissue paper, and this DIY I made in a previous video. I will link that up above here. You can check that out if you have not yet seen that one, as well as the little snowman and the candle I had in my stash for over 2 years. And here is our suggestion for this gift idea. Now we're moving on to the next gift idea. Guys, if you are loving this video so far with all these budget-friendly gift ideas, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. This is a 3-shelf set, yes, from the Dollar Tree. They had it in the plus section and it was reduced to the $1.25. Now, because they had crossed out that sign with a black marker, I'm going to be covering that. So I'm using this punch and some tack papers to cover that black mark. And I'm using this gift bag, and these are suggestions. And here's my little snow girl that I made in another video previously as well. That can be one set. And these are the earrings again. I did make some more. I didn't show you that because there was no point in showing you all of that again when I already showed you how to put them together. And here we have them. Guys, don't forget to check out the playlist as well as all the ladies on this collaboration. I can't wait to see what they have put together for their video. But please don't forget to check them out and let me know in the comment section below which one of my gift idea was yours today and you were inspired to put together for Christmas. I would love to hear what you think. And if you love budget-friendly content like this, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to like, share, and comment. And I will leave you to check out the rest of this video and stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.